Hey honey, it's gonna be chilly, you better take your jacket.
It greets you every morning with a 5-day weather forecast. Then watches your energy use, helping you save throughout the day. It can change your home temperature with just a touch, no matter where you touch it from. It's innovation connected to the cloud. It can stop you from heating and cooling an empty house. Yet still give you a warm welcome when you get home. So you're always comfortable. It's the I-Comfort Wi-Fi from Lennox, the most advanced comfort control solution available anywhere.